Hey everybody, so this video I've got an American 700. It's a really old one. I guess it hadn't been opened in I don't know how long, I guess years. It didn't have a key. Locks and Socks from the lock picking subreddit sent it to me. He couldn't get it open picking it. I tried for about 10 minutes and I wasn't getting anywhere either. So I locksmithed it to open it and actually made a key. There's our key to it. And so it works. Cleaned it up. It was really gross. All of this shit's all from this lock. It's pretty nasty on the inside. So anyway, I want to see now if I can actually pick it now that it's cleaned up and lubricated a little bit. See if we can get it picked here and then boxed up and sent back to him. So pin 1 just set and actually put us into a little bit of a false set. Pin 2 was a little bit of counter rotation and lost the false set. Hit 1 again and went back into it. A little bit of counter rotation on 3. Lost the false set again. And now 1's not putting us back into it. After I saw the inside of this, I don't know why it's so hard to pick. I'm going to probably just go with lack of ability. And I couldn't even get it into a false set before. Oh, I got it. Yay. Got it real quick here. I'm going to show you what's in it. I don't know if this was ever repinned. I have no idea, but it is not your normal American. And you see all the shit that came up off the shackle. God damn, this thing is nasty. You're gonna have to wiping it all down. Okay. And I have a key so I can lock it back. Okay, clip off. Okay, so we got key pins are all standard here. And if you want to know what I meant by locksmithing the shaft earlier, I used a Sparrow's bypass tool that I modified because the thing didn't work unmodified, so I took the bench grinder to it and thinned out the top of it, which made it work. That's how I got it open the first time, and then I shimmed the cylinder to get the cylinder open to make a key for it. So anyway, here's our key pins here. None of them are serrated. Now, the bidding on it, I think it was 22438, I believe is what the bidding on it was. I have that written down in my truck next to my Blitz, so I'll put that in the video just to confirm, but my memory serves me. That's what it was. Now look at this. See how weak? I don't know if you can see how weak the spring is in here. For my damn flashlight. Phone will have to work here. Okay, see how weak the springs are? The pins are, those are standard drivers, and the pin 1's not even shooting up at all. It's just like at the shear line. So, and then to get them emptied out here, I'm gonna have to bang on it. So 3's coming out, and 3's actually a spool. This thing has really weak springs. Open 3 fell back in. Okay, there's 3. You try to cover up 2. Bang it here. Okay, there's 1. There's, come on, 2. So 1 and 2 are standard. 3 and 4 are spools. But they don't look like they're, the new American spools. And 5 is standard. And the springs, yeah, they're all pretty compressed, which is what adds to the difficulty on picking it, in my opinion. Okay, so this is what's inside of this thing, which, like I said, it's not your typical American, not what you see in the new ones anyway. All the key pins are all standard. The number 2 pins wouldn't be serrated even on the new ones, but all the rest of them would be. The 4, 3, and the 8 would be. And then the drivers, it's that's pin 5 is standard, 4 and 3 are spools, and then 1 and 2 are all standard. So I'm going to get this thing put back together and shipped back to Locks and Socks, and that'll do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.